Weather update as of November 21, 2023 8 a.m. Subject, Northeast Monsoon, Easterlies, and Shear Line. Ang malakas na Northeast Monsoon, o amihan, ay umiiral sa malaking bahagi ng bansa, including Palawan. At ang Easterlies, o ang hangin galing Pacific Ocean, ay nagbabalik, at ito ay nakakaapekto sa parte ng Visayas, at Mindanao. At dahil sa pagsasalubong ng Northeast Monsoon, o amihan, at ng Easterlies, o hangin galing Pacific Ocean, nabubuo ang shear line, at nakakaapekto ito sa Southern Luzon, parte ng Visayas. Ito ay may dalang moderate to heavy rains na may kasamang thunderstorms, at bugso ng hangin.
Disclaimer: bilang independent weather forecasting page, gamitin lamang ito bilang reference page. Donate any amount at GCash number 0945-322-4311 to improve our forecasting in the near future. Stay safe. Like, share, follow.